Welcome to the channel. If you'd like to renew your driver's license in New York, I've got you covered, so let's do it. Okay, so here we are in dmv.ny.gov. This is the website that you need to renew your license within the state of New York. So on the left-hand side at the top of this toolbar, we have licenses, permits, and IDs. Let's go in here and let's go and click on driver's license. Once we are here, we are going to scroll down. You'll see that it says top tasks, and we will find renew right over here. Okay, now we're going down, and you'll see on this page they have a bunch of information that you would likely need to read through so that you can have a better understanding of the process, what you may need, and how to go about it, and what also to do after you've applied for your license renewal. So once you've gone through all of this, you will find that there is a renewal link over here. It says renew license online. Let's click on that. It will now open a new page. So on this page, you will find the before you begin section here. Before you begin, you should go through all of this, read through it, make sure that it applies to you or it doesn't apply to you. Once you are done going through all of this, go ahead and click on continue on the bottom right hand side over here. Over here you will see that there is a question of voting for the elections, yes or no, depending on what you choose over here. It's regardless, so let's just go ahead. I'm going to say no and just say continue. Over here you will now have to enter your 9-digit DMV ID number. All right, you can find it at the top of your driver's license or a non-driver ID. There are also some samples over here: your date of birth, your last 4 digits of your social security number, your 5-digit zip code, and it must match the zip code that the DMV currently has on file, email address, and again, your email address to verify, and then you will click on continue. You will now enter some more details on the next page, some more personal details, some credentials, and then you will go ahead and actually book a reissue of your license or a renewal of your license. I hope this was helpful.